welcome back to my channel. This is Adyasha and I hope you all guys are doing great. And in today's video I will be reviewing Amazon Kemei hair straightener, and I purchased that for 290 rupees, and you will able to know it is worth it for price or it is bad. And without any more talking, let's begin. So guys, I have received this box from Amazon for the Kemei hair straightener, and I have used before 2 to 3 times this hair straightener. And as you can see, this is the straightener in pink color. It also comes in another color. और इस हेयर स्ट्रेटनर में जो वायर है तो वो काफ़ी लॉन्ग है, आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं. The blades in this hair straightener is ceramic. It is written in the box, and you can see there is a switch for on and off. It does not come with any temperature control and it is quite easy to use. And let's see the demo. As you can see, when I have switched on the straightener, it glows a red light there for the indication that straightener is on. And now I am here detangling my hairs into 2 parts, and as my hair is thick, so guys, for the heat protectant I have used a serum and I have used the aloe vera gel for the heat protectant. As you can see, the straightener works quite well in my wavy hair and it does straighten my hair. I am taking a little strand of hair and straightening it. As you can see, it has done a great job straightening my hair. आपको थोड़ा कर्व्स दिख रहा होगा एंड्स में, क्योंकि मेरा हेयर लेयर कट में है इसलिए. This video is little fast forwarded because you will not get bored in this process. Here you can see my both sides of the hair. One side is little wavy and other side is straightened, and it works pretty good on my hair. I recommend the straightener for wavy hair and a little curly hair, not so much extreme curly hair. ये extreme curly hair पर work नहीं करेगा. I want to keep a disclaimer that this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased this hair straightener. मैं other side off camera में कर रही हूँ और आप कुछ फोटो सैम्पल्स देख सकते हैं. ये कुछ फोटो सैम्पल्स है जो मैंने हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग के बाद फ़ोटो क्लिक किया था। So guys, you can see after my whole hair is straightened with this Kemei hair straightener, I think it's worth it for the price. I got my straightener for 290 rupees. Actually, this straightener was an offer, and you will get also offer in the straightener, and I got mine for 290 rupees. Actually इसका प्राइस 230 रुपीज़ था और 60 रुपीज़ मुझे डिलीवरी चार्ज लगा। मैं इस स्ट्रेटनर को 9 out of 10 दूंगी, क्योंकि ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, ये केमी का हेयर स्ट्रेटनर। सो अगर आप इसको परचेस करेंगे तो कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे ज़रूर बताना, और इसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दूंगी, तो आप इसको ज़रूर चेकआउट करना। होप दैट